Welcome back everybody to this week's video. So this week we are making a bottle opener wand that will glow in the dark. So at the moment we've got a 4 bit here and we are drilling in and we are going to flatten off so the bottle opener will sit flush with the wood. Now we are going to drill in so the bottle opener will have something to go into and we can hold it on the mandrel. So now we're going to put the piece of wood onto the mandrel. This mandrel is from Niles Bottle Stoppers. And we are cutting the threads at the same time. So now we're going to drill in with another 4 bit here, and this is so we can put the wand in at the end. Obviously this is the handle that we're drilling into. Alright, we're going to start by turning now. The first tool we are going to be using is the mid-size finisher from Easy Wood Tools. Just going to start by turning it around and then we're just going to give it a basic handle shape. There we go. Alright, so now we've got the 1/4 inch beading cutters from Easy Wood Tools. Going to go right down the handle. And just clean up that end and match the diameter of the bottle opener with the detailer. Alright, so now we're just going to add some burn lines with the Carl Jacobson Signature Series wire burner. Alright, we're going to do some sanding here with some cling spore abrasives. This is a piece of Malle Burl. Some denatured alcohol or methylated spirit just to clean the grain. Some matte sanding sealer. And some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. You can obviously use your fingernails if you want to try and get all that out with the out of a groove, but as you can see right here, little quick tip, I'm going to use the air compressor. And there you go. So here is the food and toy safe Citrus Burnishing Oil from Hampshire Sheen. Then you just put this on nice and slow and then turn the lathe up fast, build up that heat and just buff it in. You can put as many coats of this as you like on, but I just went for the 2. So here's the first one right now. slow the lathe back down, apply the second and speed the lathe back up and buff in the second. There you go. Alright, so here is a piece of ash on the lathe now. So we're going to start with the mid-size rougher and turn it around. Alright, so this is going to be the part that goes into the handle and later on going to be held in the chuck jaws. So just quickly give it a test and see it needs to be a little bit more taken off. And keep going until we get the right diameter. There we go. I think that's about right. Yep. Okay, so now we're just going to mark the depth that we need now. There we go, and now we're going to take all the rest off. There we go. Okay, so now we've got it flipped round in the chuck, and now we're going to start turning the one shape. Still sticking with the mid-size rougher. I don't recommend putting your hand at this side of the tool rest. Just you be safe in your shop, I'll be safe in mine. Only do this if you are comfortable with your tools. And there you go. Alright, we're just going to cut the end off there with a handsaw. There you go, just like that. I'm going to use a bit of 120 grit here now just to round the end off. There we go, and we've got the Dremel Versa Flame. We're going to do a bit of scorchy scorch, and we'll go bring out that grain. Get rid of all of that soft grain, so we can highlight it later. Alright, so I'm going to quickly go over it now with some 240 grit. Get rid of all of the soot. Alright, so now we're going to repeat the process and go over again. I'm trapped inside a fake reality. Better days will never come for me. There we go, and once again back to the 240 grit. There you go. Just using the finger there just to see how deep the grain was. Alright, so some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol just to clean off any residue. Some sanding sealer. Alright, so we've got a cup here, and then we've got some Hampshire Sheen Microcrystalline Wax. So you're just going to scoop some into that cup that you got. Add some glow powder or the colour of your choice. Give it a bit of a mixy mix. Turn the lathe on slow and apply it with a paper towel. Just apply it exactly the same as you would any microcrystalline wax, even if it hasn't got the glow powder in it. Just wipe it all over, wait for the solvents to evaporate, and buff it in. Being careful not to push too hard. You don't want to wipe off the wax, you just to pull it on. Just build up that heat. There you go, we're just wiping it all over now. Alright, so we've got the lathe going to about 1000 now. And now we're just going to buff it in. Here are some pictures. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. Please don't forget, hit that like button, click the subscribe button, show your friends, show your family, show your enemies if you like. And if you want to see more of my videos, click them links on the right hand side. And until next week, bye bye for now.